Another video. No snow is flying yet, but we're supposed to get some. You can see my arbs there. My arbovites are bending over. The crows are circling. They want some food. Got a little snow over the weekend. Once the snow covers the roads, it'll get a lot quieter. Look at that sky. Not much going on. Just having a Mickey's out in the snow. See if my blue moons froze up. Wow, I guess they did. They ain't budging. I'll probably fucking break it if I keep screwing with it. I got these for, someone brought these over, iced coffee ones. And a couple regulars too, but those aren't bad. But I never had no iced coffees. Iced coffee blonde. I don't know if those are any good or not. Who's that over there? Come on. What are you doing, Spark? See, you won't go in the snow. He'll just piss on the fire hydrant. Ugh. He's on the trail. No dogs even went out there in the snow at all. Look at that. Yeah, one dead right there. Big cell's supposed to come in later. 3 to 6 inches, they're saying. Who else wants to come out? The Steve Meister. Come on, Stevers. Oh, my knee is just hurting, boy. The cold. There he goes out on the trail. Oh, he's got to deuce one off. And you gotta go, you gotta go. That one's just about dead. That one says, oh, yeah, 32, maybe. 34, maybe. I don't know. It's up against the house, too. I can't switch I can't turn the thing around on the fly, so I gotta do her with, I gotta pause it and then do it. So I'm gonna try to like upload this to my iPad and see if I can make, you know, put them together with iMovie. Took the OF-150 in today though. Ain't riding the Challenger out there and that shit. Oh boy, you're supposed to get hit again. I don't know, what do you think that is right there? It's all the way up to all the way up to there. I don't know, that's what, 6 inches? I have to measure out, maybe 4, 5. Don't know. Got my makeshift snowshoe on there for putting my malt liquor down. A dirty fucking, sure, I'll get some comments of that, a dirty fucking cutting board. especially you put your hand in the snow, and then it makes it so that the Mickey's is warmer than the snow, so your hands feel good. Got a big V8 in her. I don't know what's the biggest. It's the biggest V8. Oh, my arm's getting tired. What's the biggest V8 that Ford makes? I don't know. I thought it was 5.4 liter. Dodge makes 6.4. Hemi. All right, my dude's gotta go in. You guys want to go in? Too cold for little dudes. Oh yeah, I get in there, they're all full of piss and vinegar. You know, it's a Tuesday night, you know. Gotta get out in the cold a little bit. Get the fucking stink off you. How do you like that? Uber juke. See if I can get them coming in with some popcorn. Got some old movie popcorn here. Let's see what's up. Come on, dudes. You can still see it down there. Should be some good eating. Come on, dudes. I know you're hungry. It's been snowing all day. I gotta back up. That's what I gotta do. And they'll come in. Yeah. Let's see if they come in now. Oh, look at that one wants to get out and get it. Then look at there. What's that varmint? He wants to get out there in the snow. Yeah, there's one. Any of them down there? No, they're too chicken shit. Take a walk over here and see what's up. She's packy. There they go. My buddies. They'll start coming in. I always feed the birds. Check that out, man. You can't even... That's what you call a cold Mickey's right there. Oh, yeah. Ice cold, eh? Uh-oh. Shithead. Shithead alert. Now I gotta hang on to her with fucking snow on her. Yeah, they probably ain't gonna go after it till I come in. Oh, there goes a couple. God damn, I can't feel my hand. Not used to this fucking frigid cold. Not a Uper anymore. Cold out. Fucking seagull. He's coming in now. Oh, he'll clean all that shit right up. Oh. Comes another one. Or is that the same one? He's up circling around. Big skies. Look at these guys up here. we'll see when I can put it. See if I can put this video together. Take it easy, guys.